Looking to get those restaurant quality sear marks on those steaks? Then what we'll do is dive straight into it. But don't forget, everything you use in the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products. Make sure you check those out at the end of this video. So in today's video, we're going to be checking out the Weber Genesis Sear Grate. If you've ever wanted to get those professional restaurant sear marks on these steaks, this is the best way to do it. Normally with your Genesis, what you've got to do is put it on the grate on an angle and then flip it after 45 seconds facing the other way. That means you're going to be opening that at least 4 times. With the Sear Grate, you don't have to do that. So what we'll do is dive in and have a look. Right, so with the Weber Genesis Sear Grate, you're going to notice it's double-sided. So you've got these lips here on this side, and then on the other side, you haven't got any. With the Genesis, you've got to have it with these lugs facing down. Now you can fit these on either side, and you can fit up to 2 Sear Grates in your Genesis. So what we're going to do is fit this on the right-hand side. So we'll start by moving this grate. Now your Sear Grate will overlap your middle grate. Right, so now we've got our Sear Grate in position, it's time to light this Genesis and then we'll go in and prepare our steak. Now we've got our Weber Genesis 2 on a preheat for 10 minutes. So what we'll do now is get this steak prepared. Right, so today we're going to cook a Porterhouse steak and we're going to be using 3 simple ingredients. First up, we're going to start by covering it with some olive oil. I'm going to season it with some sea salt, pepper, and some garlic powder. And we'll just repeat that on the other side. And now we'll just let that rest for about 10 minutes to bring it up to room temperature while our grill's preheating. Well, so as steaks come off, it smells amazing and those grill marks look awesome. We'll let it rest now for around 2 to 3 minutes, tented under that tin foil, and then we'll jump in and have a taste test. So our steak's finished resting, so get this cut up and give it a taste test. Look at that, perfect. Just take this piece here. Perfect. That is the perfect medium steak. And don't forget, everything you used in the video today, there are links in the description below for the best place to get your Weber products. Make sure you check those out, and the recipe will be down there as well. As you can see, that Weber Sear Grate did a perfect job. It gave such beautiful grill marks on there. So this would be a fantastic improvement for anyone who's bought Weber Genesis, especially if you want to buy them something for Christmas. Now, the steak was cooked for 1.5 minutes per side. Obviously, you go off the thickness, so if it's a little bit thicker, you're going to need to do it a little bit longer. And I took it off at around 55 degrees Celsius. I will put on screen what that is in Fahrenheit, and that gave me a nice medium to rare steak. Now, the flavours balanced really well with that salt, pepper, and a bit of garlic. You'd be surprised how good that steak tastes. Now, you can do this on the Weber Genesis, you can do it on the Weber kettle, you can even do it on the Q. I have got a reverse sear steak cooked on the Q, so I'll put an icon above linking to that. And I have got a review I did on that Sear Grate when I cooked some burgers on there as well. And those new to the channel, if you find you're getting value out of this content, then contemplate showing support by slapping that subscribe button. It's absolutely free. Ding that bell for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming episodes. Give us a big thumbs up and comment down below. I will reply to the comment, and if you like what you comment, I'll pin it to the video. So what we'll do is cut to any bloopers, and I'll catch you in the next one.